Hey guys, Brian again. I'm going to show you how to stop getting clothes from getting stuck underneath your washer agitator in the bottom of the washer here. So as you can see, we've got some clothes after the wash here. They're stuck underneath these bottom fans of the agitator. So this can be pretty annoying and a problem, especially if it's tearing your clothes or causing rips and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take these clothes that were stuck under here, and I'll show you a problem that could be a cause of why this is happening. So in this case, this is stuck underneath this bottom portion of the agitator. It can be underneath the flat part as well. But what we're going to do is I'm going to try to get the camera in here. This is a GE model, so just keep that in mind. I'm going to put the camera down right next to one of these fans here, and look, you can see this crease here. I'm going to point to it. So this crease actually causes the fan to move here, and it's an actual break near the bottom, which clothes can get stuck on. And what that is causing is this bottom portion here to lift up a little bit as well, which causes clothes to come underneath. And the motion from going back and forth and not being stable is causing clothes to be forced underneath as well. And you can see it on these other, basically all of them have a crease and looks like they're about to pop off. So we have a new one coming in, but I'm going to show you what you can do here. We're going to go ahead and remove this agitator. I'm going to show you how to do it in this model. Some models you have to take off the fabric softener cup, and there's a screw here, and you have to remove the screw, and then you can help take the agitator off. But in this case, in this model, you go ahead and put your fingers underneath the base here, and then you go ahead and pull straight up. I'm just moving my face to the side because I'm always afraid it's going to bop me in the face. Never has, but as you can see, it pops. You have to pull up pretty harshly there, and that's what it looks like underneath. In this case, if there's clothes underneath, you can get them out at this time, and you can put the new model down and push down. Now how you push it down is you just, on the flat portions here, as you can see, I'm pushing down and it'll click all the way to the bottom. And if you're getting clothes stuck underneath, it may not have been pushed down all the way to the bottom. And this is what you do afterwards. I just go ahead and push it back and forth and make sure it's hooked on the splines at the bottom as well. Another thing you can do is actually just put larger clothes at the bottom if you're having this problem, like jeans and large shirts, and then smaller things on top of it, because the larger items are less likely to be stuck. Now look at this little bag here. I'm going to put a link in the description for these. You can put small items in here like socks or small tights or kids' clothing, and you just go ahead and throw that in the washer, and it keeps them from going all around the place and possibly getting stuck as well. So I'll go ahead and put a link to that down in the description and in the pinned comment as well. Go ahead and like this video, guys, if this is helping out. And I'm also going to put, of course, links in the description. And I want you to check out this other video here as well. This video talks about once you've removed the agitator, you can go ahead and clean underneath. And I show you how I do that, because it can get kind of dirty down there sometimes. I hope this video helped, guys. Have a great day.